Hello and welcome to my kitchen. Today I would like to cook with you white bortsch or żurek. I came to United States when I was 18 years old, and until that time the food I ate was all 100% Polish food. I also learned how to cook it. Thank you, Grandma. Thank you, my wonderful aunt. Grandma did most of the cooking and my aunt was a wonderful baker. I will never keep up with them, but I'm very thankful that they taught me how to cook and bake. So żurek or white borscht can be eaten with potatoes, sausage, egg, and sourdough bread. Sourdough bread toasted with some butter is the best. So this is traditional Polish soup. Welcome to my kitchen. Thank you for watching. So what I use is, of course, white sausage, and this is very traditional. You need white sausage. It's a raw sausage that you use for the broth. And I love to put in smoked ribs. If you cannot find smoked ribs, you can put smoked butt, but the smokiness from the ribs, I can't even describe it. It changes the flavor so much. My neighbor next door, when I gave her borscht to try without it, she didn't like it. And then the next time I had those ribs and I put it in, and she loved it. So the difference can be that big. And salt, pepper, you will need your sour ryemeal. You can make it at home, but it takes a whole week. Today it was kind of a spontaneous idea. I had some chicken stock. I was cooking chicken soup for my children yesterday and I have some leftover, so why not use it for a good soup the next day? So this is when I decided to make white borscht or żurek. And for the spices, some bay leaves, garlic, marjoram, and allspice. And I only put two. Well, I will show you up close. What I like to do myself, again, that's my customization. I like to customize things. My mother-in-law brought me dry mushrooms, and those mushrooms she picked herself in the forest. Gave it to me as a gift. Wonderful smell and wonderful flavor. I think she likes me enough not to try poison me, and she knows her son is gonna eat that soup, so I feel pretty safe. But what I do is put few of those dry mushrooms in a cup, put boiling water to cover those mushrooms. I lock it with another dish and leave it out for at least an hour. After an hour, my soup will be ready, and I will pour all of this into that soup, and it will give me this, extra mushroomy flavor. Not everybody likes mushrooms, so this is an optional thing. If you don't want to put it in, you don't have to. Like I said, I love it. I love the taste of it. My husband also. Since I have those great mushrooms that my mother-in-law gave to me, why not put it in a good use? I will come with the camera and give you a closer look. This soup is usually made during Easter time, and I don't know why. Why wait a whole year to have a really tasty, wonderful soup? So right now we have November, like I crave it, and I'm not gonna wait till Easter to have it. Why not have it more often? So I'm making it today. Welcome to my channel and thank you for watching. So besides my chicken stock that I have from yesterday, white sausage, it's raw sausage, those smoked ribs, salt, pepper, those mushrooms I told you about from my mother-in-law, sour ryemeal. I have 3 garlic cloves, 2 of those allspice, 2 bay leaves, and marjoram. And that's pretty much what I need. My chicken stock already has a flavor, so those ribs, sausage will give it enough to have a really great tasting soup. I would like to go back to those smoked ribs. If you don't have smoked ribs or smoked butt, you can also use piece of bacon. It's not the bacon that you buy for eggs, it's the thick cut piece of bacon, and smoked would be best. You can saute this bacon with some onions on a pan and then just throw it into the soup. Some Polish people do it that way. My favorite version is either smoked ribs or smoked butt. So here is my chicken stock, and I will put the allspice and bay leaves, and this is just some black pepper, and my garlic, and my sausage. Sausage goes in as a whole piece. Once it's cooked, I'll take it out and I cut it into slices. And my Beautiful, wonderful smelling, tasty ribs. We're probably going to be fighting about who gets what, but my husband likes sausage and I like those ribs, so I think it will go pretty easily. So now I will leave it here for about half an hour. So there is one more spice that Polish people love to use. So that's one more thing I wanted to mention. Maggi. Maggi for Polish people is almost like soy sauce for Asian cooking. Polish people love Maggi, and you can buy Maggi in any international store. It is very popular. You can also grow Maggi, which is a herb, and it looks kind of like parsley. It's just a little bit bigger. And when you put it in your fingers and rub it, you smell the smell of Maggi and you can taste it. So I will put about 1 tablespoon of Maggi into my white bortsch. But for those of you who like the taste of mushrooms, I mentioned those mushrooms before, this is the time to put your mushrooms in. And now the sour rye. I have put my sour rye meal in a bowl and added some of that hot soup broth into it because I want to dissolve it. I want to dissolve it so it's smooth once it goes into that soup. Here it is. Now I'm gonna put it in, and not the whole thing yet. First, let's say 3/4 of what I had, and I'm just gonna taste it to see if it's sour enough for me. With this, it's hard to say how much I need, but I think I need pretty much all of it. Make sure it's mixed, and now if I want to thicken it a bit more, I will use half and half or heavy cream. You try it, salt, pepper. I like to eat that soup with potatoes and egg, hard-boiled egg. And traditional way is actually with hard-boiled egg and sourdough bread toast. But my husband doesn't like potatoes in the soup, so I will boil some potatoes separately and he can have the hard-boiled egg on his plate with the soup and the sourdough bread, and I can enjoy it with my hard-boiled egg and potato. I will need to take out my sausage and cut it into smaller pieces and put it back in that soup. And here is my sausage that I cut up, and I will just put it all in. And my żurek bortsch is ready. I'm ready to sit and eat. And here is my white bortsch. Some potatoes, sausage, that smoky rib, an egg, and a sourdough bread. Buon appetit, smacznego. Thank you for watching. And now what is it? Sour rye meal. And now the sour rye meal. Żurek doesn't have carrots and the veggies that you use to make your